Hi everyone, this is Dave Figueroa and I want to show you a new solidworks standalone application and its name automatic material assignment. And if you use this application you can assign material easily, efficiently. For example, I open a solidworks assembly and you will see sometimes we forget assigned the material. Sometimes we want to add a material on special material database, for example like this. I click edit material and you can see this is the special custom material list and I choose this one. Especially this company, sometimes we can use the material or solidworks material, and nowadays most of company choose the company material database because sometimes they use the ERP system and you can choose this material and the other one select the other name. For example, the structural material. Sometimes we use this, sometimes we add special as the 37 and it's mixing and everyone want to one material name or the other not technical person don't understand. If you use the ERP system you can assign one material the same name. So in this add-in you can control add material at the same time material database. Anyway, I close this one and I close the servers before the program. Please close the SolidWorks and save all files. If you use this application close the servers and Excel file. Please care of this. Anyway, how to use? Firstly, select assembly and I choose this assembly, and then I have to choose configuration because uh, servers assembly have a lot of configuration. I want to which one to prefer. Sometimes we add the exploded assembly or other configuration and you have to choose configuration name, and then you click get data and wait, and you will see the light blue is and program is working on the background and you cannot see, and then the program is finished. I close the servers interface and the program is very fast like this, and you will see this format. Firstly, part number and reference configuration, material name, material template. You can see servers the material and my special material, and you can see the file path, and this is the format and you cannot change this format. And how to add material, for example like this. I add this material and I change, for example like this. If I want to not change material I can delete. For example, I know this material is not change, so I could delete them. If you wanna you can delete. It's unnecessary because you have to add again. And if you write manually, maybe sometimes wrong material name. For example, I add the S and I know it's not material name. And if you change a letter different, the program didn't assign, can't assign because you have to write true name, or if you write anything program said you cannot add this material because this is absent on the material. And I save Excel file, and then I close, and you will see the sheet name is the assembly name the same. Anyway, this is the update section. If you update, and you will see, please select an Excel file and Excel sheet. And firstly I select Excel and find the Excel sheet, because Excel have a lot of sheet and you have to choose which one. And I click the update, and the program find the solve configuration and part name, and add the material on the all of them, and you will see OK, and you cannot change the Excel file if you don't have any mistake, and you will see unassigned material error list. Yes, if you check this on the SolidWorks, yes, this is the true material we assigned the before. So if you change, for example, the other material name, you cannot add, because you write the material name wrongly. Anyway, I close it, and I open SolidWorks, and I check it, which one we add. I can add this part name and this file name, and which one I can use. Yes, I click this material, and you will see the same program works perfectly. And if you use this application, you can visit my website, or if you check my YouTube channel, you can see the download link. Thank you for watching.